Hello and welcome. This presentation is VE Mentor, a mixed reality training system with secure cloud solution. My name is Mitchell Potter. I'm an engineering manager, principal engineer, and program manager at the Disty Corporation. I'm coming to you from Orlando, Florida, our corporate headquarters. Before I begin, let me give you some more information about Disty. Disty is the leading provider of both turnkey and customized HMI software and 3D virtual maintenance training solutions for virtually any system. Disty software and solutions are highly adaptable and can be implemented into virtually any industry with a need for user interfaces or maintenance training, including aerospace and defense, automotive, energy, industrial, medical, maritime, transportation, and many more. For more information, please visit disty.com. Let me outline the agenda for my presentation. I'll start with a VE Mentor overview, then do our Small Business Innovation Research Accomplishments, VE Mentor benefits, Cloud Virtual Classroom, and then finish with some closing remarks. In 2019, Disty was awarded a Direct to Phase 2 SBIR by the U.S. Air Force. The objectives of the SBIR were to combine existing technologies for desktop, AR, VR, and mobile into a unified framework that crossed the boundaries between virtual classroom training and hands-on flight line training. Using a cloud solution as a bridge, these technologies would share data and content, opening the door for classroom instructional data to flow to the flight line and up-to-date flight line supplemental training content to flow back into the classroom. To meet these objectives, Disty partnered with Design Interactive to bring two best-in-class technologies together in a way that has not been done before. Disty's VE Studio Development Suite provides classroom training for desktop, VR, and mobile devices. The benefits of this classroom training are having a large number of pre-programmed scenarios with complex procedural content, often combining tiered sub-procedures with hundreds or even thousands of steps. This training is tailored to fit high-fidelity simulations of complex systems in a 3D virtual environment. Robust desktop training can also be extended to VR and mobile devices, adding a higher level of immersion, spatial awareness, and mobility to classroom training. Design Interactive's Augmenter Development Suite is designed for augmented reality on headsets or mobile devices. These devices operate on or near the training equipment and allow virtual training cues and content to be positioned spatially around the real-world hardware. Trainers and subject matter experts have the capability to quickly create, update, and augment training content directly from an augmented reality headset, which syncs data to a secure cloud. They can then organize content from a web portal that also includes authoring capabilities to easily arrange procedural training. To bring these technologies together, we use the Augmenter Cloud synchronization technologies to tap VE Studio directly into the cloud. This allowed cross-platform synchronization of all training content, including procedure steps, 3D models, schematics, context cues, and supplemental content. This translates into a subject matter expert on the flight line having access to the procedure data created for the classroom. It provides capabilities for them to add notes, images, or recordings, and also automatically brings approved content back into the classroom to augment student learning. Next, I'd like to cover SBIR Accomplishments. Before I do that, I'd like to demonstrate a video that we put together to show off our VE Mentor application.
With a direct correlation between maintenance efficiency and operational readiness, there is immense pressure to improve the effectiveness and quality of maintainer training. The spread and acceptance of virtual and augmented reality technologies have made these capabilities a must-have for training personnel. These technologies immerse and engage students, reinforce proper techniques, save on equipment wear and tear, enable students to train at their own pace, and improve safety and efficiency of training in a safe environment. DISTI, in partnership with Design Interactive, has developed a crossover integration between two best-of-breed products. DISTI's VE Studio classroom training platform and Design Interactive's Augmenter have been combined to create VE Mentor. VE Mentor allows developers to easily transition training content from the classroom to a hands-on experience in augmented reality on HoloLens and mobile devices. At the same time, VE Mentor allows content authored on the flight line to flow back into the classroom, closing the loop on providing efficient and effective maintenance training. VE Studio uses a relational database to track inputs from technical manuals, CAD data, and photographs to produce a highly interactive 3D virtual maintenance training application for use on desktop computers. VE Studio also publishes VR procedural vignettes for lessons where an immersive 3D experience improves the level of student understanding and engagement with the content. VE Mentor expands the publishing capability of VE Studio, allowing for the seamless transition of the classroom content onto devices ideal for use on or near the actual equipment. Augmenter allows for the spatial placement of task steps and decision points authored by experts on the actual physical hardware. VE Mentor adds the ability to transition this content back from the flight line and feed it into the content repository, keeping the classroom training current and comprehensive.
Okay, with that, hopefully you were able to more easily visualize the concept behind what we did with VE Mentor. We actually used videos and content that was created during this Small Business Innovation Research project to create that video. There are 5 main accomplishments I'd like to reiterate that we were able to accomplish with VE Mentor. The framework combines proven classroom and flight line training technologies with the scalability of the cloud to allow students at multiple locations to connect with subject matter experts distributed anywhere that has access. Having a cloud-enabled shared content repository means classroom and flight line data are shared seamlessly. What you create in either location can be synchronized with all other connected sites. Existing training has strict limitations on customization that could require additional development to add or update content. VE Mentor greatly loosens those restrictions so training content can be created, shared, updated, and greatly augmented without redevelopment. Because content deployment is seamless, the hardest part of updating classroom training will be identifying the right information source and having them record and place that content. Content generation is now in the hands of instructors and subject matter experts. Training procedures can often be complex. The capability to synchronize classroom data to the flight line automatically provides procedure steps without the need to recreate them step by step, allowing SMEs to quickly organize hands-on training using content from the classroom. VE Mentor has some key benefits that improve upon existing training methodologies, and I'd like to cover a few of those. First, the commonality between classroom and hands-on content makes training more effective and efficient. Second, tribal knowledge can be easily captured and distributed so it's no longer siloed in a single location. Third, classroom content can be reviewed from the flight line to reinforce systems knowledge and improve retention. Fourth, the framework architecture can be tailored to fit any need for synchronization between classrooms and field locations. It can also be expanded to include multiple vehicles or variants within the same training platform. And fifth, Due to its cloud architecture, VE Mentor can be deployed as a virtual schoolhouse that allows students, instructors, subject matter experts to be distributed at multiple sites with remote secure access. VE Mentor was designed to function in a cloud environment, but this SBIR limited the scope to deployment on a closed network. To achieve this, a local server acted as the cloud, allowing connections from desktop, VR, and AR headsets. Because the cloud capabilities are still part of the architecture, VE Mentor could be deployed on a secure cloud like AWS GovCloud to connect classrooms with SMEs anywhere in the United States. With the addition of virtual classrooms provided by a fully integrated DISTI schoolhouse, we become capable not just of distributing subject matter experts, but also students and instructors to any location that has secure access. In most cases, existing infrastructure can be used to connect classrooms without requiring an investment in dedicated performant hardware. This also facilitates distributed learning where social distancing restrictions are in place. The integration of VE Studio and Augmentor technologies to create VE Mentor was a huge success. The framework has many benefits beyond what I've mentioned here. There's also tremendous potential to expand the capabilities through future development, including expansion of AR overlays and schematics, integration with connected hardware systems, expanded content sharing capabilities, and many more. If you're interested in a demonstration, please email info@disti.com or visit disti.com and contact us for more information. It's been a pleasure. Thank you very much.